You tired of the 9 to 5 grind and dreaming of making money online, but have no idea where to start? If we haven't met, my name is Natanya, and I was once in your shoes. No tech skills, no social media following, and zero experience. But today, I work just 2 hours a day from anywhere in the world thanks to an automated system that's not only beginner friendly, but also done for you. Imagine a system that takes care of all the complicated stuff so you don't have to. This interactive program is designed specifically for beginners, teaching you step by step how to start digital marketing without the overwhelm. You'll learn how to set up automated systems that do the heavy lifting, like the selling, telling, following up with clients, so that you can focus on what matters, living life on your own terms. Now, you might be thinking, sitting there, but I don't have the time or the skills to do this. Trust me, you don't need either. This is so streamlined that you only need a couple of hours every day, even if you're a busy mom, a corporate escapee, or just looking for a side hustle that's designed specifically for you. So if you're ready to break free from the 9 to 5 grind and start making money online, drop me a comment so that I can share this with you. And remember, if I can do it and 35,000 other people in our community can do it, so can you.